Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to explain something special. But before that, here is our group. There is Arnab Febrian, Fikri Rahmatullah, Habibur Rahman, Farizatul Ahsan. So today I'm going to explain about journal structure in general. So the first thing that must be included in journal structure is introduction. What is introduction? So introduction is a scientific journal is the provide a general overview of the research topic. This section explains the background, the problem being studied, and the research objective. So this is the things that must be included on introduction. For example, so this is some introduction I found on brand loyalty journal, and as you can see here, background. The background is the journal discuss about brand loyalty, which has long been focus of marketing research. And the problem and statement and previous research, there are various methods have been used to maintain brand loyalty, including brand elements, the marketing mix, and new approach. The research objective is social media marketing on consumer brand loyalty. Significance of study highlight that social media is gaining increasing attention in both marketing, academia, and business practice. And the scope study is here. Okay, so the next structure is hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis is a section explain previous theories and research based on a citation and prior studies. Must be include independent variable, dependent variable, relationship between variables, direction of the relationship. So here's some example of the hypothesis. There's a lot of citation here, as you can see. And here is the answer. Independent variable is the social media marketing, and dependent variable is brand loyalty. Relationship between variables, there's this sentence that explains the relationship between social media marketing and brand loyalty is outlined through the following hypothesis. Brand loyalty, blah 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 blah. And then the direction of the relationship between variable is positive, meaning that better social media marketing leads to higher brand loyalty. And the next thing there is methodology. Methodology. What is methodology? Methodology explains the approach and technique used in research to collect, analyze, and interpret data. This section must include the type of research, data collection method, data analysis techniques. Here's some example. Data collection method. Wait. Now here. The type of research is a quantitative research. As you can see here, brand loyalty was adopted from Lau and Lee. Study with 5 elements, which group there's a lot of number here. That means the research must be a quantitative. Next is data collection method. Uh, there's in the first sentence, as you can see here, data was collected through the administration of structured questionnaire with a sample of 338 people who were social media users. And the last thing, data analysis technique. As I mentioned before, the questionnaire was developed to measure brand loyalty, recent follow brands on social media, and content categories shared on social media. Brand loyalty was adopted from Lau and Lee. Study 5 elements, which group under one factor with an explained variance. Blah blah blah, and that, as you can read by yourself. Okay. The next thing is findings. Findings. I'm sure you guys can already know what this means. Findings refer to the result. Generally, there is overview, data presentation, descriptive analysis, statistical analysis, comparison, key observation, subsection for the thematic analysis, if qualitative, use of support evidence, neutral and objective. Here are the example, as you can see here. Wait, let me back. Subsection for thematic analysis. Here, as you can see, there is a lot of mathematics here. That means this is a very, very quantitative journal. Yes, here, the answer. Conclusion. Conclusion is The final part of study that summarize the main findings, interpret the results, and provide implication and recommendation for future research. Element of conclusion in journal, summary of key findings, interpretation of result. There is research of implication, research limitation, suggestion for the future research. Here, the conclusion from the same journal. Now, summary of key findings. The results of the study show that advantageous campaign on social media are the most significant drivers of brand loyalty, followed by relevance, interpretation of result. Companies that want to run effectively social media campaigns should take into consideration the benefits, value, and advantage. Research implication. This study contributes to both practice and literature by highlighting the importance of social media marketing in building customer relationship and brand image. Research limitation. Since the study was conducted in Turkey with sample of 33 egg respondents, the finding may not be fully generalized to other markets. And the last is suggestion for future research. Future studies could explore the impact of different types of social media marketing campaign on brand awareness and customer engagement. Uh, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.